Carolina is that direction. Virginia's that direction.
Mowed a bunch of grass, acres of grass, installed the vanity, moved a bench, nailed a, well, okay, so we didn't quite move the bench exactly how we would in Pittsburgh. The bench needed to go. It needed to get out of there. Mr. Stevens like, all right, hang on, I'll grab the chainsaw. He starts cutting it into pieces. I'm filming the whole time. We move it out and we just burn it. Like within 5 minutes it's gone, which was just wild. All right.
It's gonna get hot. And it's gonna get big. But there's fire extinguishers everywhere. There's one hanging right on that wall right there.
So he just cuts it up and we move it out and just burn it right there. Freed up a ton of space, and they're gonna have dancing there in a little bit for a wedding. So he hosts weddings here as well.
Oh, first steps. First things first.
Yeah.
You have to get the right like
The orange tea.
Oh, you're drinking that. Okay, good.
Oh yeah.